Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. Well, welcome to my Watertown Memory Wednesday, and today we're going to be working right down in this section down in here, and the color today is 680. I got my town thing here. Yeah, I'll show it to you. I'm trying to get the needle together. Let's see if I can get it off of there. It's another one by the Spring Company, and that's who made this kit right here. And I don't know that I actually have that particular cross stitch. Just not real sure. But we're working on this one today. Let me bring you in so you can see what is going on. We're going to have to move that over just a bit. So how is everybody doing? We are at the middle of the week, all y'all. Amazing but true. Oh, I was going to show you. It's kind of a gold color. So hopefully it'll show up. But we're still trying to work on this next building, if you will. Yeah, I'm glad it's Wednesday. Holy cow. Been a really slow week. Slow. So I'm ready to do something else for the next 4 days, if you will. Just something different, something fun. So that means I'll probably be working on this and the hairpins and probably a little bit on Cat and Jam. So, no grand plans for the weekend that I'm aware of. We'll just play it by ear, if you will. What is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun. Maybe something for the holidays. Maybe something that hasn't got anything to do with the holidays. They're fast approaching, all of them. Each and every one. But October, I don't know about you, but October has just drug on and on and on. Maybe because it's slower at work. I got nothing, man. But I feel like this has been 2 months instead of just 1. And we're just barely over the halfway mark of October. So, we'll see. It's supposed to get cooler. We'll call it this weekend, but I looked at it. It's maybe within 5 degrees of what it is right now. So, I don't know. Supposed to rain. I think Thursday. Yeah, fun times to be had by all. Trying to get my light so it'll shine there, because I'm doing a black. Oh, what did I do? Came up in the wrong direction, I think. Oh, I see what happened. Yeah, so no yippity plans. But I can sit and stitch anytime. It's kind of like setting me in a corner with a box of crayons and a brand new color book. When I was little, I'd be there for days. Well, not days, you know. Had to sleep there somewhere. But I could just entertain myself for hours with crayons and a color book. And it probably cost a whole $1. Maybe that was even pushing it, you know, as far as the entertainment amount or cost would have been. So, probably buy a box of crayons back then for about, 50 cents. Maybe not even that much. I know. Inflation. And the color book was probably 10 cents, you know? I got no idea. I didn't ask. Oh, here's a new color book. Awesome. Yep, and I was off and running. When I wasn't doing my little printed cross stitch on, let's call it, oh, like, what do you call that stuff? Like a pillowcase or a doily or dresser scarf or whatever. That's how it was printed. I didn't even start using Ada until I was in my 20s or 30s. So, yeah. Between that and embroidery. I think I did embroidery first, but the only cross stitch was a printed type cross stitch. Well, that worked out okay. Didn't expect that thread to quite end right there, but good oak, because I ain't got no further to go anywhere. You know, it can't go any further, or else I would have jumped over there, but it didn't happen. Got my tea today. Just jasmine green tea by Simple Truth. Just a little nippy. It was like 35 degrees this morning. Holy cow. It's been cooler in the morning, but it was up in the, 60s. I'd say mid-60s yesterday, totally. The sky was totally blue, no wind. It was awesome. Yep, it was a great day yesterday. We got rid of the wind, I think. What was that, Monday? Holy cow. I thought it was going to blow us all away. We had to anchor down our trash cans at work because they'll slide. We have like a real smooth place where you'd pull up to get gas, and it just slides right across all that. I don't know how many times we've gone chasing across the parking lot to get the big trash cans back. So we put it out of the line of fire, so to speak, and there's only one of them. I don't know what's wrong with the others, but they don't seem to follow it. It's the only one that goes. And it's not like they're all different. I got nothing. So whenever the wind is really bad, we have to put the trash can up. I know, it was exciting entertainment for the week. But I'm glad it's not windy now. Just kind of over the wind. It's really bad when it's snowing, because then it creates ice. But I mean, I only have to go around the block to go home, so it's not like I have to go far, you know, to drive home at night. So I just take my time. There's usually nobody else on the road, maybe a couple people here and there. I mean, driving. So I just take my time. So it takes 6 minutes to get home instead of the 2 minutes it takes. Normally, that's perfectly fine with me. Push came to shove, I could have walked, but don't want to have to do that too much. Besides, I'll just call my daughter or one of the girls from work, and they can come and get me. They've all got four-wheel drive. So, not me. And I normally don't strike out on bad days, like even to go to the grocery store. But like I've said before, we live like a block from a highway. So that's pretty much always cleared unless it's like a surprise snowstorm, or we don't get ice storms like we did in Kansas, thank goodness. Yeah, I'm glad to be away from all that. Anyway. Oh, goodness. I just hope it doesn't get real freezing this weekend or snow and do all the fun stuff, because I'm just not ready for a bunch of snow already. Nice, cool weather, perfectly fine, as long as the sun comes out and there's no wind, you know? That's how that works. Anybody going anywhere this weekend? Gonna do anything fun? And I never did see anything about any kind of a fall festival here in town. So, I have no idea. Unless they've already had them. Or they come like maybe in November. Yeah. We're under the concept and the belief that, you know, fall goes all the way through November and then winter starts in December. Well, surprise. Nope. We've had winter start in September. So, yeah, anything's possible up here. Well, I hope we're making some progress here. Did I? Oh, I only went once. My bad. Get rid of that needle. Haven't heard from my daughter, so I don't know if she's completed all of her projects, you know. She hadn't said. I know she had parent-teacher conferences this week and finished. Well, she had to start, what do you call it? Doing the carpet cleaning. Yeah. So I'm going to move this. It's just in my way. Whoa. Shut that down there. So I'm sure she's quite busy. And I can't remember for the life of me what day she said the parent-teacher conferences were. I don't even know if they were on the same day, because kids go to two different schools. One's in high school and one's at the grade school, so no grandiose plans here. And the reason I picked this symbol was because it's the only one that had a lot of places to stitch, but it was also one that I could actually see. So, fun times. Oh, no, I'm going to have to go back and put the 3371, which is that dark brown, in there, and maybe this will start looking like a porch or a building. I know there's more, whoops, up there in the roof where you see that green. That's the roof line. But yeah, I'd like to finish this little area first. Then we can go up. I've still got some symbols over here in the part that I'm got folded up in my hand, but some of them also go over here, so I can do both at the same time, if you will. Dork. Come on, we were doing so well here. Oh. Anybody else working on one of these monster projects besides me? Just asking. Asking for a friend. may have to get another whole piece of, you know, another 6 strands of this thread, because there's some of this symbol that goes like in the posts or the background up here, so I'm not sure if we'll have enough thread. We may have to get some more, not today, but when I work on this again. So I'm just kind of skimming this number over here so that I know what the thread number is. All right, guys. Didn't watch anything new or fantastic on Netflix lately. I gotta pull that through. Come on. Don't do that to me. Just watching Poldark again. I'm about to get it accomplished. I think I got 1 season left, and then I can call it good for a while and I won't have to watch it again. I did look on, what is it, Audible, to see if they actually had the book, and they had the entire Poldark series, so I don't know how the book differs from the actual video, if you will, or the series that's on Netflix, so that should be interesting to see. Alright, guys. Whoops. Get that needled hanker down. Well, let me pull you out so we can see what we're doing here. Alright. I'll bring you up just a little bit closer. So it's starting to fill in whatever is in the background. This is a horrible picture. Just absolutely horrible. So I have no idea what all that little stuff is. But I'd like to get this section right here attached to the ladies over here. So we'll see how far that gets. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.